Welcome to Read Science World. Today we are going to learn about equivalent fractions. So, if we have a circle and we divide the circle into two parts, so what is the total number of parts? 2. We write 2 in the denominator. Now let us shade one part of the circle. So, how many parts are shaded? 1. So, we are writing 1 in the numerator and the fraction can be written as 1 over 2. Now, let us take the same circle and divide the circle into 4 parts. So, how many parts are there in total? 4. The denominator is 4. Now, let us shade 2 parts. So, in the numerator, we will write 2, that is 2 over 4. So, 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 are called equivalent fractions. Why? Because if we take away the borders, we can see both are of same shapes. Pardon my style of coloring, but yeah, these are same. So 1 over 2 can be also written as 2 over 4. Let us take one more example. Let us take another circle of the same shape and let us divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Okay. So now let us shade 4 parts out of it. Total number of parts 8. Shaded parts 4. Our fraction is 4 over 8. Now see, if I remove all the borders, it becomes the same shape. So, we can say 1 over 2, 2 over 4 and 4 over 8. All these are equivalent fractions. So, 1 over 2 has equivalent fraction 2 over 4, 4 over 8. Are there more equivalent fractions to 1 over 2? Okay, so let us now understand that how can we get equivalent fractions. To get equivalent fractions, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Means, we have the fraction 1 over 2. So let us take any number. I am taking the number 2. I am going to multiply the numerator and the denominator both with 2. So 1 multiplied by 2 in the numerator gives us 2. 2 multiplied by 2 in the denominator gives us 4. Thus we get 2 over 4, which is an equivalent fraction of 1 over 2. Now we can also try another example. I am taking the number 4. This is of my choice. I am multiplying 1 with 4. I am multiplying 2 with 4. And what do I get? 4 over 8. So see, we have got one more equivalent fraction of 1 over 2. I am taking something more. I am taking 3 and I am multiplying numerator with 3 and denominator with 3. So what do I get? 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6. So 3 over 6 is also another equivalent fraction for 1 over 2 and there can be infinite equivalent fractions for a fraction because we can multiply the numerator and the denominator with infinite numbers. Okay, so that is of your choice. Now the question is find any two equivalent fractions of 10 over 11. Any two equivalent fractions. So what to do? Multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Simple. Any number you want. Okay. So here is 10 over 11. Let me multiply with 2. 10 into 2 is 20. 11 into 2 is 22. So our answer will be 20 over 22. So 20 over 22, this fraction is an equivalent fraction to this fraction 10 over 11. Let us take, because in our question we have find any two equivalent fractions. So we got one, 20 over 22. Let us find out one more. Now I am taking 5. That's my choice. 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. 11 multiplied by 5 is 55. So 50 over 55 is an equivalent fraction to 10 over 11. Now how to check am I right or wrong? Okay. So you know reduction of fraction, how to reduce the fractions into their simplest term. Let us take this example 50 over 55. Now both 50 and 55 has common factor 5. So 5 times 10 is 50 and 5 times 11 is 55, right? So if we cancel 50 over 55, what do we get? We get 10 over 11. Similarly, if we cancel 20 over 22, so this can be cancelled with 2 because 2 is a common factor for both 20 and 22. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 11 is 22. So if we reduce the fraction in its simplest form, we get 10 over 11. That is our fraction in the question. So this all are verified equivalent fraction of 10 over 11. Okay, now the next question that you have, find any three equivalent fractions of 7 over 9, any 3 for 7 over 9 and any 3 for 8 over 13, and that is your home task. So make sure to do it and tell me the answer in the comment section. Goodbye for today.